This is a Vinco BBIG stock prediction and Vinco BBIG stock analysis on our 4-hourly and daily timeframes as well as BBIG news. Now we present current our trading system signals. Disclaimer: we do not provide investment advice. Technical analysis and trading signals on daily timeframe. Pivot point supertrend system gave the sell signal. Candlestick patterns are bullish. ABC trading patterns are indicating consolidation. Support and resistance level analysis show light uptrend and consolidation. Overall, on the daily chart, we would stay out of the market. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 4-hourly time frame. Candlestick patterns are bullish. Pivot point supertrend system gave the buy signal. ABC trading patterns are indicating consolidation. Support and resistance level analysis show long consolidation before large move. Overall, on the 4-hourly chart, we decided to stay out of the market. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 1-hour time frame. On the hourly chart, we have overall the sell signal. Pivot point supertrend system gives sell signal. Candlestick patterns are mixed. ABC trading patterns are indicating consolidation. Support and resistance level analysis show consolidation before bigger move. Overall, on the hourly chart, we are staying out of the market. Subscribe to get more technical analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching until now. Here are the results of our another trading strategy. Trading system 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the daily time frame. Trading system generated buy signal and long entry. Multi-time frame stochastic indicator is close to buy signal. Price is on multi-time frame moving averages. MACD indicators generated weak sell signal. Trading system 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 4-hourly time frame. The 4-hourly chart gives us a sell signal. Trading system generated sell signal and short entry. Multi-time frame stochastic indicator is neutral. Price is at the level of both multi-time frame moving averages. MACD indicator shows downtrend and sell signal. Trading system 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 1-hour time frame. The hourly chart gives us a sell signal. Trading system generated sell signal and long entry. Multi-time frame stochastic indicator is oversold. Price is below the multi-time frame moving averages. MACD indicator generated sell signal. Now we will tell you about other price prediction and live news. 1. High volatility in Vinco BBIG stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at 96 cents. 2. Vinco BBIG stock future price prediction. 3. Vinco Ventures BBIG. This early stage growth stock is a buy. High volatility in Vinco BBIG stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at 96 cents. Vinco stock rose 5.73% on Tuesday, the 1st of November 2022, from 91 cents to 96 cents. Last day's trade ranged from 91 cents to $1.04, a 14.29% range. The price has fluctuated throughout this time, and it's fallen -3.62% in the previous 2 weeks. 15 million more shares were traded than the day before, a strong technical indicator. 19 million shares sold for $18.60 million. The stock is in a broad and weak short-term rising trend, and additional gains are predicted. Given the present short-term trend, the stock is anticipated to grow 6.54% over the next 3 months and keep a price between 83 cents to $1.63. Forecast and signals. The Vinco stock has purchase indications from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a good outlook, but the long-term average is above the short-term average, indicating a sell signal. 93 cents and 96 cents will support adjustments down. Any drop below these levels will suggest sales. Price and volume rise. Good technical indication. Negative signals may affect near-term development. Thursday, August 18, 2022, a pivot top signal to sell, and it's plummeted -33.53%. Further decline till a new bottom pivot. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence signal to sell. Risk, stop loss, and support. Vinco finds support from accumulated volume at 96 cents, and testing this level may provide a buying opportunity. With typical daily moves and decent volume, this stock's risk is medium. The stock moved 13 cents yesterday, or 14.29%. The stock's weekly average volatility is 5.93%. Stop loss, 91 cents 52-day-old pivot top sell signal. Wednesday second trading expectations. On Wednesday, 2nd, we estimate Vinco Ventures Inc. to start at 97 cents and move between 89 cents and $1.03, giving a potential trading range of plus divided by minus 7 cents up or down from previous closing price. If Vinco Ventures Inc. takes out the whole calculated potential swing range, the daily range will be 14.60%. Since the stock is closer to support at 96 cents than resistance at $1.05, our algorithms perceive the trade risk reward intraday as appealing and think profit may be achieved before the stock hits first resistance. Vinco insiders acquire more than they sell. 54 million shares were acquired and 225,000 sold in the previous 45 transactions. McPhil and Philip Anthony sold 50,000 shares 75 days ago. The high ratio of purchase to sold shares indicates that insiders see upside potential. Stock options may sometimes explain greater acquisitions. Buy Vinco Ventures stock. Several short-term signs and a general excellent trend are encouraging. Therefore, we believe that the present level may be a buying opportunity for Vinco stock. We've improved this stock study result from strong sell to buy. Vinco stock future price prediction. Vinco Ventures stock price forecast uses EPS estimate, analyst consensus, or basic intrinsic valuation to project the future value of Vinco Ventures shares. Predicting Vinco Ventures price might be profitable. This module is not designed to be used to evaluate Vinco Ventures intrinsic value and does not examine all of its tangible or intangible aspects. We study Vinco Ventures' recent hype, which may provide arbitrage possibilities if timed well. Whether stock price forecasts based on financial news may provide a strong buy or sell signal is debatable. We estimate Vinco Ventures' worth based on major news networks and social media stories. The Vinco stock price prediction module analyzes price elasticity to media viewpoint changes over an investment horizon. Using Vinco Ventures' hype-based forecast, you may estimate the company's worth based on its response to recent media frenzy and its rivals' reaction. We also evaluate Vinco Ventures stock options and short interest. It helps to gauge the future attitude of investors towards Vinco based on the stock price's activity and movement. Vinco Ventures stock forecast. Have you ever been astonished when Vinco Ventures price soared without reason? Many institutional investors trade Vinco Ventures among themselves aggressively. Have you noticed that a company's price movement is often influenced by news that has nothing to do with earnings? Individual company excitement drives price momentum. If there isn't enough positive press, the stock price slows. As long as news hype doesn't affect immediate profits, pay greater attention to it. If you observe this trend with Vinco Ventures, it might be a short sell opportunity. Vinco Ventures, this early stage growth stock is a buy. Vinco Ventures Inc. is well positioned for long-term growth. The stock is a buy, given the short-term price inflation projected to persist until its spin-off share distribution is finished. A promising early-stage growth stock shouldn't be ignored. Overview. Vinco Ventures Inc. specializes in consumer items and digital media. The company's business strategy is the BIG approach, which involves purchasing, creating, and expanding business units tied to content or digital media technology. It helps Vinco Ventures to exploit digital market possibilities. BBIG's strategic acquisition methodology adds high-potential businesses to its balance sheet to optimize value development. BBIG uses internal traffic platforms like Social Media Pulse and Honey Badger to produce conversion traffic and scale up the company. Cryptide spin-off boosts BBIG growth. Since Vinco Ventures and Cryptide's corporate split was revealed, BBIG stock has gained prominence. The move is expected to boost each stock's value. CEO McFadden of Cryptide said the split would enable sustainable corporate growth without jeopardizing shareholder value. BBIG rose 120% from January 11 to 18, 2022 in response to the announcement. Earnings performance. In addition to the Cryptide spin-off price increase, we must not lose sight of the stock's standalone potential. FY21 profits may show this. As a transitioning firm, Vinco Ventures sales dropped 18.5% in FY21 from $12 million to $9.8 million. Vinco's acquisition-based development plan and status as an emerging growth firm under the Jobs Act make me less concerned about its diminishing sales. The company's market valuation is just $400 million as of May 2022, putting it in the micro category. Risks. BBIG's 21.91% short float as of May 13, 2022 is the reason for worry. The fact that BBIG is so shorted 2 weeks before the spin-off indicates a strong sense that the transaction may not enhance value for Vinco shareholders. These short sellers presumably expect a drop on May 27, 2022. As the stock climbs, this short position is endangered. Conclusion. Market players should examine BBIG. In its early stages and moving to a digital content delivery business, the firm hasn't established profitability stability or organic growth. BBIG's smart acquisitions and long-term strategy might lead to great growth. The most important feature of the corporation is the spin-off of Cryptide on May 27, 2022. One Cryptide share for every 10 BBIG shares. Before then, the stock should expand steadily. The redistribution may cause a short-term drop, but it will boost the company's long-term development. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the either left or right to get to more BBIG stock price prediction analysis and BBIG stock technical analysis. Take long position. Also, we present analysis on Terra Luna LUNC, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin news today. We cover tickers, XRP, BTC, Cardano, ETH technical analysis, and Shiba Inu coin. Check our playlists for the free technical analysis trading course.